Effective morning routines for a positive mindset. The power of a morning routine. Imagine waking up every day, feeling energized and ready to conquer the world. This is the magic of an effective morning routine. It sets the tone for your day, influences your mood, and boosts your productivity. But what makes a morning routine effective? Let's explore. Waking up mindfully. The first step in a successful morning routine is how you wake up. Instead of jumping out of bed, take a moment to breathe deeply. Feel the air entering your lungs and filling your body with energy. This mindfulness practice can significantly improve your mental clarity. You can also practice gratitude in these moments. Think of 3 things you are thankful for. This simple exercise can shift your mindset to a more positive state. Hydration is key. After waking up, your body needs water. Drinking a glass of water can help kickstart your metabolism and boost your energy levels. Hydration also aids in cognitive function, making you more alert and focused. Consider adding a slice of lemon for flavor and extra vitamin C. This refreshing addition can enhance your mood as well. Engaging in physical activity. Physical activity is another vital part of an effective morning routine. Whether it's a quick workout, yoga, or a brisk walk, moving your body releases endorphins. These feel-good hormones lift your mood and reduce stress. Start small if you're not used to exercising. Just 10 minutes of movement can make a difference. You might be surprised by how invigorated you feel afterward. Mindful breakfast choices. What you eat in the morning matters. A nutritious breakfast fuels your body and mind. Whole grains, fruits, and proteins are excellent choices. They provide sustained energy and help maintain focus during the day. Try to avoid sugary cereals or pastries. Instead, consider oatmeal with fruits or a smoothie loaded with greens. Your mind will thank you later. Planning your day ahead. Taking a few minutes to plan your day can prevent stress and distractions. Write down your tasks and prioritize them. Knowing what you need to do helps you stay organized and focused. You could also include positive affirmations in your planning. Phrases like, "I am capable," or "I can handle challenges," can boost your confidence. Creating a peaceful environment. Your environment affects your mental state. Try to create a peaceful and inspiring space. Open your curtains to let in natural light or play calming music. Both can uplift your spirit. Decluttering your space also helps clear your mind. A tidy environment can lead to a more focused and productive day. The role of consistency. Consistency is crucial when creating a successful morning routine. Set a fixed wake-up time and stick to it, even on weekends. This regularity helps regulate your body's internal clock. The more consistent you are, the easier it becomes to maintain these habits. Over time, these actions become ingrained in your daily life. Reflection and adjustment. Finally, it's important to reflect on your routine. Take note of what works and what doesn't. Be open to making changes if needed. Adapting your routine can keep it fresh and effective. Remember, a morning routine should serve you. What helps you feel energized today might not be the same tomorrow. Final thoughts. Building an effective morning routine takes time. Start with 1 or 2 changes and add more gradually. The positive impact on your mindset will be worth the effort. Soon, you will notice that these small adjustments lead to bigger changes in your overall happiness and productivity.